So I've been sent this by CarpodGo. I'm just going to open it now. It's an Android and Apple CarPlay device. Hopefully be able to see it there. Looks like a beautifully made thing there. Screen protector on, I'm assuming that is. I hope I should be taking that off, because I did read somewhere about it being protected from edge to edge. So that's the, let's get that off. Can you undo that? No. I just have to pull that off. So I've got most of it anyway, I'll do that later. So right, so that's the screen. Take everything else out. What have we got here? Well done, Baz. Let's chuck this. Get that. Where's it gone? Right, so that must be the thing for the back. We'll put that there, put that in there, save that. So that's another one, that's a stick-on pad, so you stick that anywhere. Put that in there too. And then, this is one I'll probably use in here. This vehicle, it's got a great sat-nav, real good setup to start off with. So that's, but Apple CarPlay is better. I see that slides in and out and so on. Just trying to think of somewhere I can put it without doing any damage. It will probably, I think, let's just see, will it sit in there? So that goes in there. Can I, if I tighten that up like so, tighten that up in there, and then put that in there with a bit of, you'll be able to see it. Here we go, we've got a reversing camera there, a rear view camera, which I won't be using, so I'll just stick that in there. All the wiring, that's for hard wiring. You can just use this as Bluetooth as a screen, but in order to play, I mean, if you had Bluetooth speakers as well, it would just play. In my Citroen Ami, I've got a Bluetooth speaker, so you just need power to it, and you wouldn't need anything else because it would just Bluetooth. So let's just see if we can, that's the auxiliary cable, the power cable. This one is the cigarette lighter plug and power. So also in there looks like you've got a spare sticky pad and a user manual. If you have to use the user manual, then it's too complicated, and we don't want that. It's the guy's way. You just struggle. So let's see also on here. So you've got on-off switch, and then you've got another USB. So let's, as it's stuck, God, it's stuck quite well actually. So here we go. Let's undo that, take this out. Oh, blimey, is that magnetic too? It's magnetic. That's even better. So when you get out of the car, you can just take it out. So right, let's get that back into position where we want to see it. This is actually getting better and better. As you can tell, I haven't unboxed it before. I've no idea. So we can take that off, tighten that up where you can see it now. Just take a strand out of here. Then in that's like a USB-C. That's in there, and then we want auxiliary. Auxiliary looks like that one. So put that back. In the Range Rover, the auxiliary is just in here. We've also got a power in shut that, and then here we go into the cigarette lighter. Hopefully it works, and there it's switched on straight away. Now this is the good thing. Let's just say I've never used it before. There's a Bluetooth symbol there. This is working all my cameras, but we'll just go to settings, Bluetooth, and watch out at the bottom. It's already brought up PND 22AB. I'm assuming that's this. So I'm just going to click it to start off with. Click see what happens. Bluetooth pairing request, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Where's it gone? Use CarPlay now. Use CarPlay. There you go. It's connecting. Allow CarpodGo to check for CarPlay apps. Allow. That's it. I mean, it's as simple as that. What's that take me? 5 minutes? Not read the instructions, not done anything. That's CarPlay. Over on the side here, if I just go to there, it mirrors my phone here. So we've got WhatsApp, Audible, Drive Smarter. That gives me a warning of any speed cameras when I'm using it. Calendar, audio books, music, phone. And you don't need to do anything at all. You absolutely don't need to do anything. If I just go to, this will be on auxiliary. So if I turn this up, I go to audio video, and then I set source on auxiliary. So that's auxiliary. So that's how you would set it up if you haven't got Bluetooth. If you have got Bluetooth, your phone will connect to the Bluetooth device in your car for the music, and it will also, you just use this as a display. So play Black Magic Woman.
Now playing Black Magic Woman by Fleetwood Mac.
Got a black magic woman.
Right, now I'm going to unplug the auxiliary. So unplug the aux. This is because it's on Bluetooth. If you haven't got Bluetooth, this is what you would need to do. Plug the auxiliary in. I've got Bluetooth. Put my phone over there. That's the thing, without touching. That is a good system, but compared to Apple CarPlay, it's absolutely defunct. You're driving along. Hey Siri, play Dire Straits, Money for Nothing.
Now playing Money for Nothing by Dire Straits.
That's all through Bluetooth. You can do everything through Bluetooth. You don't have to touch your phone. Take your hands off the steering wheel. Hey Siri, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester.
You'll see here, it's getting directions. It says go there, but I don't even have to touch it. If you just leave it, it's already set off.
To Manchester Airport, head northwest on Blackburn Road. Then at the roundabout, turn left onto Kittling-Bourne Brow.
So that's it. You don't have to touch it. If I just do that, you'll see it's gone from nighttime viewing to daylight viewing. Hey Siri, navigate to Starbucks.
One option I found is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So that's also added a stop off or a diversion on the route I'm going. Hey Siri, shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
You can just do anything with it. Right, I'll put it on text, and I'll just hold my phone up as well, just to indicate. So I don't need to hold my phone or anything, but so it's on there. You can see the messages. Hey Siri, send a message to Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
I'm just testing this new CarpodGo Apple CarPlay unit. It's absolutely fantastic.
It says, I'm just testing this new CarpodGo Apple CarPlay unit. It's absolutely fantastic. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
There you go. So it's got the message. You'll see there's a 1 in the messages. So, hey Siri, read messages.
Barrie said, I'm just testing this new CarpodGo Am Apple CarPlay unit. It's absolutely fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
You send text. It reads text. You've got WhatsApp. Here we go. Audible. Just click on Audible. There's all the books I've been listening to. So.
Quarrel me? Well.
So it's so much better than the ordinary unit, and for the price, to be fair, you can't beat it. I've got a good mind to certainly leave this in the Range Rover because it's far better than the actual unit. YouTube Music, you can play anything. Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music. So Spotify, I'm pretty sure I've got that. There we go. Spotify would like to find and connect to devices on your local network, so allow. Daily Mix, Linda Ronstadt. Oh, I like her. It's an absolutely brilliant system. Apple CarPlay should be fitted into everything. And if you haven't got it, you can soon fit it. It's dead easy. All you need is a supply auxiliary in, which will use your own speakers. If you've already got Bluetooth, you can just use that as a display and your phone does the rest. But whereas, I know it's crazy, whereas you can't touch that, it would seem that you can touch this and it just mirrors your phone. See there? It's everything that will work on CarPlay is showing. WhatsApp.
Do you want to send a message or make a call?
We'll just see. So you can call on WhatsApp. We'll just see. Hey Siri, send a WhatsApp message to Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
I'm still testing this CarpodGo Apple CarPlay unit, and I still think it's fantastic.
Your WhatsApp message says, I'm still testing this CarpodGo Apple CarPlay unit and I still think it's fantastic. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
There's the message. I'm still testing this CarpodGo Apple CarPlay. Anyway, apart from that, that's not the people who make the actual unit. It's Siri not understanding me. I mean, with Google Maps and Apple Maps, you can share your destination. So if you're meeting somebody there, you can send them a pin. And in fact, quite funny, the other day, a friend of mine, he's got a Cessna, and he was flying over, and he sent me a message saying, like, whereabouts are you? And I went outside to wave as he was flying over, and he said, no, send me a pin. Don't wave, send me a pin. So next time I'll just be able to send him a pin through this. But really, I promise you, I can't lie to save my life. I have another unit like this, and I have that in my Citroen Ami. I wanted, the reason it's taken me so long to test this is I wanted to put this in my Citroen Ami, but it's having a heater fitted. And I've got it in my Citroen Ami. It's fantastic. I bomb along in my Citroen Ami. It's got a Bluetooth speaker in it. There's no wires at all. There's just this that goes to power. No wires whatsoever to the Bluetooth speaker. And it's absolutely brilliant. I can send text, I can listen to text, I can do whatever I want without taking my hands off the steering wheel, without getting into trouble. It's just brilliant. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.